So are you ready?
Yeah, hold on.
Okay, let's do it. Close your eyes. That's not. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. That was really bad. Are you recording? No. Oh yeah. Starting again. I was like, that is not normally your reaction to be like, oh, I'm so sorry. I'm still wet.
Crashed, right, and you couldn't drive. You were supposed to be going forward and you went backward. I'd make a meme out of you. But
If it was the other way around now, didn't like you got mad
I
at me.
would go mad.
Yeah.
It's different though, isn't it?
No.
If you're just looking from the outside, it's hilarious. But if it happens to you... Oh, you're spreading disease. Right? It's just the coleslaw disease. Oh yeah, coleslaw.
Ah, vai ser 15. Ela vai ainda vai espirrar ainda.
5 minutos.
Falei que é 15. Doze. Oi. Só dois.
Have only been a part of the group since.
Excuse me, you look like you love me. You look like you want me to.
I feel a sneeze coming on, but it like will not come out. It's pissing me off because it's like right here. It's right here. I feel it. Whenever my allergies are really bad, I have to like massage all this so I can loosen up all the mucus and stuff. Ouch. Oh my gosh. Oh, sorry.
I know there's another
I'm panicking. Alright, you gonna lift it
Why
up?
you panicking?
I'm feeling a whole bunch of things. My allergies are hitting me. My stomach is unsettled. I feel nauseous at the same time. Let's get it together, Melanie.
Just pull over so I can drive.
Next one, like, no, I'm about to pull over. Oh my god. Oh, that's so crazy.
Ah, the allergies is hitting. The allergies is hitting. So much you have to pull over so I can drive. I would too if I sneeze that much. Nah, your nose got red.
Huh?
Your nose got red.
Oh god. Maybe that's Celsius. Is the Celsius hit me like that?
To make you sneeze, bro, to your allergies. Relax. You sleep. Good girl.
So I just woke up and I'm having my coffee. Cheers. But y'all listen. I'm the youngest of 4 girls, okay? 4 girls. And I have a phone call with one of my sisters today. I'm really sneezy. Bless me. The youngest of 4 girls. Tell me why my sister and me, like, we had a phone call for today, so I got to call her. Tell me why this girl is calling me.
Oops.
At a crack of dawn.
Oh, wow. Oh, no one saw that. Oh my gosh.
I know.
Bless me.
Let me wash my hands.
Hey, first I want to say thank you to all of the Niche Tribe. Subscribers and Patreon members, we could not do this without you. You guys keep us lifted up and supported. Ew.